Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Rambiana Falishan binti Mahashim and my matrix number is 279907. Okay, I was assigned to solve one question from Introduction of Mathematical Economics subject, which is given by my lecturer, Madam Nurzita. So today I will solve that question that consists of three fractions, namely A, B, C. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So, question number 1a, determine where the function f(x) equal to x cubed minus 6x squared minus 18x minus 15 is concave upward and where it is concave upward. Okay, so first we are going to take out f(x), okay, as a function. Alright, first we write down f(x) equal to x cubed minus x square minus 18x and minus 15. Alright, so first we are going to take out or do the first derivative. So first derivative is we differentiate with 1. So and then we're going to power the power 1, we going to times with the front or the base. So 3 times 1 become 3. So 3x. So and the power of 3 differentiate, it becomes square minus 12x. So it becomes 1 because we differentiate with 1 and x 0 nothing, so we just damage like that, and 15 also damage. So we got the first derivative. Now we want to make the second derivative. Do the same way. Alright, so 6x, 12 and 18 is damaged. So yeah, we're done. Alright, so now we are going to test here. Okay, now we're going to test using 0. Okay, because we want to find the critical values, whether is it concave upward or concave downward. So we using the second derivative, so we put 0, it become 6x minus 12 equal to 0. So we replace or substitute the 0. Okay, and then 6x become 12, x become 12 divided by 6, and x equal to 2. So yeah, we get 2. So when this one is a critical value, so we need to find, or we test using the below 2 and above 2. So we decide to take 1 and 3. Okay, so now we are going to test with this number 3 and 1 using the second derivative. Okay, just write down like that. Okay, so I have x equal to 6x minus 12 and okay, now we substitute with 3. Okay, it becomes 18 minus 12 and it become 6. So 6 is more than 0. So okay, now we're going to test the number 2 is using the number 1. Alright, so we substitute 6x is become 6 times 1 equal to 12. Now the answer is negative 6. So it become different here. 6 more than 0 is positive, negative 6 less than 0 is negative. So we get the positive one is the right one and the negative one is the left one. Alright, so we want to know, is it concave upward or concave downward? So here there are 2. So the concave upward is, and then the concave downward. Okay, the concave outward is 2 is from 2 and infinity. Yes, because it's positive. And the concave downward is the left one, so it's negative 2. It's negative infinity until 2. Alright, so we get there are concave upward and concave downward. So yeah. Okay, question B. Suppose that the cost function for a manufacturer is given by cost function 0.00001 x cubed minus 0.003 x squared plus 5x plus 1000. So describe the behavior of the marginal cost function MC function. Number one is find the marginal cost function, which is MC. Okay, so MC is, for find MC, we take out the cost function first. So we write down 0.0001 x squared cube minus 0.003 x squared plus 5x plus 1000. So we know that we want to find the MC. MC is equal to the first derivative of cost function. So we use the same way as the previous video, the previous one, which is the power we times with the base, and then the power we differentiate with 1. So it becomes 0.00003x square minus 0.006x, and becomes 1 plus 5x is damaged and 1000 also damaged. So now we get the MC function. Okay, so question number 2 is describe the behavior of the marginal cost function MC, whether concave upward or concave downward. Prove your answer. So we need to find we also have to find and describe which behavior of the marginal cost function, whether it's concave upward or concave downward. So we have to do math here. Okay, first we wait, let me adjust this one. Okay, alright, so first we take out the MC function. Okay, so it's better for us to see. Okay, so MC function is 0.00003 x squared minus 0.006x plus 5. Alright, great. Okay, now we can see. Okay, let me take out this one first. Okay, so first one is we find the first derivative of my MC function, because we need to know is it concave upward or concave downward, right? So we use the same way. We times the power with the base, and then we differentiate the power with 1. So yeah, we get the 0.0006x minus 0.006. Okay, now we are going to take out the first derivative of MC function equal to 0, because we want to find the critical value, right? So it becomes 0.00006x minus 0.006 equal to 0. So here we do math. Just like usual, we pass there and right or left. So here 0.006x minus equal to 0.006. So x becomes 0.006 divided by 0.0006. S is equal to 1000. So 1000 is the critical value for this MC function. So now we want to know, is it concave upward or concave downward? We take out the first MC derivatives. We make the second derivative using the first one. Okay, so it becomes 0.006. Yeah, so this number is larger or greater than 0. So it's clear that it's concave upward. So yeah, we have to describe using the diagram. So here, okay, I draw the diagram or the graph. Okay, this one is the MC graph. This one is quantity. Alright. Okay. Okay. MC function. Okay, here is x. X equal to 1000 because we have got earlier, right? So this one is MC function. So MC function. Okay. this one, MC function, we write down 0.0003 x square. Oh, there's enough space here, sorry. Negative 0.06 x plus 5. And it's done. Now we know that it concave upward. The next question is C. A company has established the revenue function in RM in Rx equal to 2x cubed plus 40x squared plus 8x, and the cost function in RM is 6x equal to 3x cubed plus 19x squared and 18x negative 800. So we need to find the level of production that will yield a maximum profit. Okay, so we need to know which level of production that maximum profit. So we take out the profit formula. So this one is profit, this one is revenue, and this one is cost function. So profit equal to revenue minus with cost function. So the question have given us the revenue function and also the cost function. So we just write down again. So 2x cubed plus 40x squared plus 8 minus with the cost function, which is 3x cubed plus 19x squared plus 18x minus 800. Alright. Okay. Now we're going to times the minus with the plus 1. Okay. Okay. So 2x cubed plus 40x squared plus 18x. So negative positive become negative. 3x cubed negative 19x squared negative 18x, and negative become positive 800. So 2x cubed minus with 3x cubed becomes negative x cubed. Okay, so positive 40x squared minus with 19x squared become positive 20x squared. Now positive xx negative 18x, it become negative 72x and plus 800. Okay, now we done for the calculation for the PX or profit function. Now we have to find the first derivative of profit function. So we use the same way that I asked you to before. So the power times with the base, and the power we differentiate with 1. So it become negative 3x squared plus 42x and negative 72 and 18 is damaged. 800 is damaged. Okay, so we use the 0 because we want to find the critical value. Okay, so it's negative 3x squared plus 42x negative 72 equal to 0. Alright, so we got negative 3 bracket x squared minus 18x plus 24 equal to 0. We factorize it, okay? Actually, this is only simple one. You can use the long one, but I want to get it fast. Okay, so negative. So it becomes x equal to 12, x equal to 2. So there are two critical values here, but we want to know which which product of production the maximum profit. So here we have 12 and 2. So we need to, it is clearly that is it x equal to 12 or x equal to 2. So we need to test to find is it concave outward or concave downward. But it doesn't describe any question or ask any question, but we need to test. So using the second derivative. Alright, the second derivative is we use from the first derivative of profit function. So it become negative 6x plus 42 and 72 is damaged. Now we using the first one, it's 12. Alright, so negative 6 times 12 plus 42, it becomes negative 30. Alright, so it's negative 30 is less than 0. So we use the number 2. So negative 6 times 2 plus 42 is become negative 12 plus 42, and it's 30 more than 0. So we know using the 12 is concave downward and number 2 is concave upward, but we see here which level of production that maximum profit is 12, because 12 is more than 2. So number 2, find the price per unit to maximize the profit. This one is the continuous question from the earlier C1. So revenue function here and the maximum profit is 12 units. So we need to find the price. So we know that revenue function is equal to price times weight quantity. Okay, so if you want to find price, we take out the price. So revenue function divide by quantity. Okay, this one Rx is a revenue, and quantity here we use X because we don't know the value, so we substitute using the X. Okay, so we write down using the formula, the function given. So price equal to Rx, which is 2x cubed plus 40x squared plus 8x divided by x. Okay, so x here we divide by x, so it becomes 2. This one is become 1. Okay, so P equal to 2x squared plus 40x plus 8. X is damaged. Okay, now we got the price function. Okay, so now we want to find which price that maximize the profit. So we substitute the X or quantity in X. So 2 times 12 square plus 40, 12 plus 8. So we got 2 in bracket 144 plus with 40, 480 and plus with 8. So 2 times 144 is become 288 plus 480 plus 8. So the final answer is 776. So the price that maximum profit is 776. Now we got it.